Hello, friends. I'm going to share with you today one of my very favorite books for this time of year. It's called Five Little Pumpkins. And it's a counting book, but it's also a Halloween book. Okay, so Five Little Pumpkins. Now, Five Little Pumpkins is one of those stories that's been around for a long, long time. And so we call it a traditional tale or a traditional story. But the pictures in this book were done by Dan Yaccarino. Okay, he's the illustrator. We don't know who the author is usually of traditional tales, but this book, Dan Yaccarino took this traditional tale and he drew pictures to go with it. Okay, so here we go. Five Little Pumpkins. Five little pumpkins sitting on a gate. The first one says, "Oh my, it's getting late." The second one said, "There are witches in the air." The third one said, "But we don't care." The fourth one said, "Let's run and run and run." The fifth one said, "I'm ready for some fun." Ooh, went the wind and out went the lights. And the five little pumpkins rolled out of sight. Thank you for listening to one of my very favorite Halloween stories. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.